Today I'm going to show you how to schedule your service appointment online. First, click the Service and Parts tab, then request a service appointment. You'll be taken to the Service Scheduler landing page. There are a couple different ways how you can log into the Service Scheduler. First, you can start with entering a phone number or email address and clicking Search. You can sign in with a Google account. Or if you already have an account, you can sign in manually. Today, I'm going to show you how to sign in as a new customer. Now we're ready for some information about your vehicle. Under Make, you can select Nissan or Other. If you select Other, you will select the year and then complete the form. Today we are going to select Nissan, then the year of the vehicle, the model of your vehicle, and then we'll ask some more information. If you do not know the extra information, just enter your mileage to the right of the screen and then click Continue. On the next page, you'll tell us what service your vehicle needs. Up at the top, there is a mileage adjustment where you can adjust the mileage. The drop-down menu, All Service and Repairs, contains a variety of services for you to select, the most common of the services being at the top of the page, and then other services for your vehicle down below. Today, we are going to select Replace Engine Oil and Filter, and then at the bottom of the screen, click I'm done. Take advantage of our complimentary shuttle service. If you need a ride while your vehicle's in service, click I'll take the shuttle and then Next. Now you're ready to select the time and date for your appointment. First select the date and then all the times available will populate. Select the time that you want your appointment and then you're ready to review. On the review screen, if you are an existing customer, your information will auto-populate in the contact info box. If you are creating an account or using this for the first time, complete your name, phone number, and email address. In the review box, you'll see a summary of your appointment as well as your vehicle information, and then there will be estimated charges listed as well. Don't forget to select if you would like to be reminded via text or email about your appointment. You can leave additional comments in the comment box, and then finally review the date and time of your appointment. If everything looks good, click Schedule.